Let me introduce you to the Tenjam Mibster Chair. This is our in-pool chair. It's in our Splash series. And I'll show you how easy it is to put this chair in the water and then remove it from the water. So it's a great chair to use in the pool, but then you can take it out and use it on the pool deck. So the design of this chair has great ergonomics. On the back, we add a handle opening, and on the bottoms of the legs, we add holes. And what this is going to do is when we set the chair in the water, that water is just going to naturally start filling the chair, and it's going to work in the pool. So let's give it a try. By itself, this chair weighs about 30 pounds. You can see it's already in the water, sitting tight to the ground. This water depth today is 8.5 inches tall, and Mibster works in up to 12 inches of water depth without optional weights. Very comfortable. The armrests are at a natural angle. There's good ergonomics in the seat. This is a great chair for people that maybe have a small ledge or just don't want to lounge. The chair's super easy to get in and out of. There's a spot under the front of the chair where I can get my heels under me and use these arms to push up and out. Super easy to use. Every chair, we have a variety of colors, but every chair ships with black and white cup holders. So if you want to swap out a cup holder, you can do it. You just lift the cup holder out, you could go wash it. All the cup holders have a hole in the bottom so they drain, and you can swap in black cup holders if that's what you prefer. So that's the Mibster chair in the pool. Let me show you one more thing about weights. So Mibster by itself works in pool depth up to 12 inches deep. Now we sell optional weights. The way to install the weights is you pull out the cup holder, and in this front leg, optional weights come as a set of 2 weights. These are diving weights, coated lead weights for diving. It's as simple as just dropping that weight down into the front leg of Mibster, and this allows Mibster to work in up to 16 inches of water depth. The seat on Mibster is about 12.5 inches at the seat hole, and so once you're in deeper water, you'd see water in the seat pan here. But there is a drain hole in the seat, so when we do pull this product out of the water, let me show you how that works. I'm going to leave that weight in there for right now, but it's as simple as lifting the chair up. You can see that water quickly flushes out of those bottom holes. I can then just set this chair on the pool deck, easily manipulate it, and now it's a pool deck chair. Super comfortable and looks great out of the water also. And that's the Mibster chair.